Hello everyone, this is Shansha and welcome to Z Interactive Premium Tutorial. And now in this new lesson, we will create opacity mask for this antenna here so that we can remove this part, because what we want is only the antenna, and we want opacity mask here in the vents so that there will be holes there. So that's what we are going to do. So rest everything won't have opacity mask, only the antennas and the vents which are at the back of the television. So let's see, where is the antenna here? It should be here somewhere. Okay, so I will take this antenna opacity mask from here. Okay, and Alt, move down, Alt, and blend, or just output. Just put the output there first, then we will do the blend and whatever we want. Just we want to see how it's working. So I will take this output, the one that I created here, and change its component to opacity, rename it to opacity mask. Okay, and then what we will do here is that just zoom it, right click, view output in 3D viewport, and here we got it. We need to do some changes so we can get rid of those weird artifacts from there. I will take the mask and I will play with the values here till it gets normal. Okay, let's see. So what I will do here is that I will add a let's see. Okay, so there are some gaps. So what I will do, I will push this little back here. I will add a blur HQ, grayscale, lower down the intensity here. Okay, not that much. And then I will add another levels there. Okay, so I will put this little back and then play with the settings here so we can get rid of that thick line. Okay, so almost there. And plus one thing is that usually in OpenGL it doesn't show, it doesn't look that good, but when you move to iRay or take it to Maya or Unreal Engine or Blender, so you won't have that issue. For some reason OpenGL doesn't pick a good opacity map, so I'll try to fix as much as I can. Okay, this looks fine for now. We can change it later on if we need it. For now I will keep it as it is. Okay, so I will adjust these values a little bit more. Okay, so one thing here is everything that is black will not show. So the trick here is to take the existing masks from here and blend them inside a new blending mode. Like I will take this one, press Alt here, and then take a connection out there, add, and whatever is missing here, for example the buttons are missing. The bottom part is missing. So I will take this and Alt, plug it here. Okay. And there we have it. And then back, and transformer is already there, antenna is there. So I will add one more for the back side. Let's make some room for space. I will make another blend node. I will take the back side of the television. Let's see where it is. I think now this is the antenna. I'll put the antenna there. Subtract because I don't want the antenna. I will use the antenna, the one that I created, not the one which is already there. And this is the back side, I think, or not. Let's see. Add a new blending here. Take this one. This is not the back side. This is the back side. So Alt, take it from here, double click, add. Now we have everything here. And what I will do here is that back is there, sides are there, bottom is there, transformers are there, antennas. Now I will take it from here. So I will add another blending node. Put this here. Well, just press shift, move it here. Okay, take this one and put it in the background. Add again. Okay, and connect this here. Now it's fine. Oh, everything's working fine. Okay, so now what we need is opacity mask for these vents. So I will take this and move it to the end where we have the vents. So where are the vents? Let's see. I lost the vents. Okay, yeah. Here. So here we have the vents. So let's put there. So here are the vents. I will create another blending node here. So we'll go back all the way in the middle of this connection and I'll pull this back here. Okay. And then what I will do, I will take this output, plug this in the foreground, double click it here, use add, subtract, and here we got it. Okay. Now some issue is going on the bottom part, so we have to fix this because sometimes, because if you change the positions, these kind of effects usually happens. So no issues, let's fix that. So what I'm going to do here is, let's see where it's coming from. Let's see the source of it. Otherwise, we will do the manual change here. Okay. So I will add a transform here in between. And let's see if we can change that. I don't think it's a good idea to put a transform there. Or yeah, just it's working. but it's not working for both of it. What I will do, I will work on the top one and crop the bottom and add the bottom again. So I will ignore the bottom right now. I will just work on the top one here, the vent. Try to put this in the niche place somewhere here. Okay. Now clearly you can see there's issue here down. Okay. What I'm going to do here is pull this back here. And I will make a blend node here. And use an add option and crop it from the bottom. Okay, I think top, maybe it's top part. Nope, where it is then? Let's see. Okay, yeah, sorry, I was supposed to put it in the foreground, not the background. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. So what I will do now is that I will add another blend node here. Okay, or copy paste this existing blend node. And I will bring that bottom back and crop the top. So I will do the opposite here. In this new blend node, I will not have the top, I will have only the bottom. I will take both of them. First, put this here with the shift and then put them in the foreground background and use add. Okay, so I will add another transform, copy paste, plug this there so I can control this, move it down. Okay, good. Okay, there's some issue on the top one, so let's do some changes there. Okay. Better. And now here I will just move it slight up or down to get the fine effect. Okay, yeah. So a little slight change, I will do it with my keyboard. Now this is good. You can see from inside, I can see what's in, like TV is hollow from inside. That doesn't matter. You can put anything inside later on, but actually this is giving us a feeling that there is something inside going on. So here I will pull this off back here so it can join the league of all the other outputs. And now this color albedo one and the metallic and the roughness, I will put them somewhere else. Later on I will put them down, but for now I will put them on the other side. So because in the next lesson we will start working on the albedos, and albedos will be interesting. I will add a alt there so I can put them, just remove this one. Okay, yeah, here. So it can be part of these output nodes. All the output nodes are all together, the one that are done. The one that are not done, I will put them aside so that in the next lesson I know that I will be working on. So everyone, thanks a lot for becoming a member of my premium membership plan, and thanks a lot for everyone for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but not have subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications about the great new contents I will be uploading soon. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button. If you have any queries or questions, then leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is, I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. Please, if anyone is doing that, or you find someone doing this, especially I don't want my premium tutorials to get pirated. So please ask them to stop this, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me to get new subscribers. I will take off now, everyone. Take care, guys, till we meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.